Hello, all creative content creators. In this video, I am going to give you seamless camera transitions for Premiere Pro for free. Download link in the video description. Now, I am going to show you how to use these camera transitions in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Now, we are inside Premiere Pro. Here, you can see, I have already got 2 images and 5 sound effects for 5 camera transitions. Also, you can use video footage instead of images. Now, we have to drag this image and drop it into the timeline. And then, we have to create an adjustment layer to apply our transition preset. Then, drag this adjustment layer and drop it into the timeline at top of the image layer. Then, move over to the effects panel. Now, right-click on Presets option. Then, click on the Import Presets option. Now, browse to the folder where you downloaded and extracted the seamless camera transition file. Then select this and click on Open. Then, you can see our preset file has been imported. And here, you can see there are a total of 5 different presets. And, as you can see here, 38 frames are required for each preset mentioned, and the middle point will be at 20 frames. In 20 frames, we will add a marker. First, we will cut up to 38 frames in the adjustment layer. Now, move the playhead to the beginning of the adjustment layer. Then, move the playhead 20 frames forward. Since the middle point will be in 20 frames, so here, I will add a marker. Then again, move the playhead 18 frames forward. And here, cut the adjustment layer. And, remove the extra part. Then, move the adjustment layer where we want to add camera transition. Then, move over to the effects panel, and from here, drag any preset and drop it in the adjustment layer. Now, we have to add sound effects. That's why, move over to the project panel. Then, open the sound effects folder, and select your desired sound effects. I have used preset number 2, that's why I will add this number 2 sound effect. So, drag and drop it here. Now we are done. Let's preview the video. You can use 2 video footage or 2 images in one transition if you want. Firstly, select the razor tool. Then, we have to cut this image at the point of this marker. Then, select this part and remove it. And now, drag and drop this image into the timeline. Now we are done. Let's play the final video. In this way, you can use all the camera shutter transitions in your next project. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.